Hello. Today I'll be talking about balancing coursework, research, and life. My name is Lexy Arinze, and I'm a PhD student in engineering education with a master's in civil engineering from Purdue University, and I'm a mentor for GradTrack Circle 8. So why is this subject important? If you know about grad school, you should know that sometimes it can feel overwhelming, what with multiple priorities. Balance keeps you productive, healthy, and less stressed. In the fast-paced environment like graduate school, time management becomes your superpower. So I'll be sharing a few techniques to help you balance these different priorities. First thing you need to learn to do is plan your week. You do this by using your calendar or planner to block out time for study, lab, or class times, and ensuring that the schedule is flexible as well. Another thing you need to learn to do is set clear priorities. You need to list out your responsibilities, whether with classes, research, or your personal life, and make sure you focus on the essential things first. Third thing you need to learn to do is work smarter instead of working harder. Allocate specific blocks of time for particular tasks and set hours for their tasks. One technique I use is the Pomodoro technique, where I work for 25 minutes and take 5 minutes break. The rule of thumb is if it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Finally, make sure you take care of yourself. It's easy to fall into the habit of work, but you need to sleep, exercise, and eat healthy in order to achieve your goal as a graduate student. Finally, balancing coursework, research, and life is possible. Grad school is a marathon, it is not a sprint, so you need to take it one day at a time. Implement the techniques I talked about, review them, and adjust them periodically. You got this.